Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just having my morning coffee and I'm getting ready to go out to do some errands. I thought to myself, a lot of us usually are getting ready in the morning and we're probably staring through our closets and going, oh my god, I don't know what to wear. But we are gonna find a solution for that. The main inspiration behind this video is that I have a lot of you reach out to me and say, I need help making outfits in my wardrobe. I don't know what to wear. I don't even own some of the pieces that you do share. So I've decided to take all of these feedbacks. I decided to put together a few looks to show you that you can totally make new outfits out of things most of you already own. So stay tuned as I put together this little video of what to wear when you don't know what to wear. For my first look, I decided to go with something that's all black, which is really just a black oversized hoodie and black leggings. And this is something that or a lot of us own and not always consider something that fashionable, but I totally think you can make a really good outfit out of just black leggings and an oversized hoodie. A lot of you own so many different coats and I decided to go with the beige coat in this video. As you can see, I'm just pairing it on top of the hoodie and then I'm going to go ahead and take the hoodie out so that it shows and adds more of a sporty element to it. Finally, you'll see that I'm actually wearing white sneakers at the bottom, which is something pretty much we mostly own, and if not, any kind of sneaker that you do own will look really good. Leggings and a hoodie is a really good way to start an outfit for the day if you don't know what to wear. This is something I totally wear to school. I actually always used to wear this to school. You can wear it while flying, you can wear it while running errands, and the best part is that you actually look really put together, and then you can also take off the coat and look like you're ready for a workout. For my second look, I'm wearing boyfriend jeans or pretty much any kind of jeans that you may own with a graphic tee on top. And I know a lot of us own these graphic tees, whether you find them in your pajama wardrobe or whether you just find them laying around your room. You might own something that has some kind of a print or logo on it. Anyway, I went ahead and paired this big oversized cozy grandma looking cardigan. And if you don't own one, you might want to ask your parents if they own one, or even your own grandma if she owns one. Anyway, I went and put this on, and if you don't have buttons on yours, you're welcome to belt it just to kind of give you a little bit of a form-fitting element to your look. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead with some booties, which I put brown booties on, but you're welcome to pair any kind of color booties really with this. And I think that this is just a really cozy outfit that also looks so sophisticated just with the added height in the heels, but you're also welcome to pair it with sneakers, pretty much whatever floats your boat. And this is something I'd wear to school. I'd wear this to an outing with friends, running errands. It's just something that you can totally put together in your closet. And it can even be different color combinations, like whether you have a black t-shirt with a white cardigan or some other kind of, form of light and dark contrast. Alright guys, for my third outfit, we're going back to the hoodie element, but this time I'm taking black skinny jeans instead of leggings and pairing it under one of my oversized hoodies. This hoodie is a maroon color, so I decided to take one of my plaid blazers, which also has these maroon tones in it, and to put it on top of the hoodie. I know a lot of us might own blazers, whether it's for work or for other occasions, but you can always mix and match your sportswear with your workwear to create some really sophisticated chic looks. As you can see, I'm just taking the hoodie out of the outfit. That way it shows more of the elements in the look, and then I'm just adjusting my scarf. And for the scarf, I did something that's a little bit of a light beige. That way it does play off of the blazer. And lastly, I just topped it off with some white sneakers, something really basic that I really think is going to make the outfit go from sophisticated to streetwear. Anyway, this is something I totally wear when I'm out with my friends or even going to a meeting. I just think it looks like you're on the go, but you also have a lot of important duties to do. So this is a good way to just hit two birds with one stone. For this look, I'm going with something like an oversized sweater. It's super basic, just black skinny jeans, oversized sweater, but I really think adding a necklace or some element of jewelry is going to make that difference. It's going to make your outfit look like something you just put together versus actually thought through. Anyway, I'm just pairing some cream sneakers on the bottom. You can do white, black, whatever you may own in your closet. And lastly, I'm just taking a denim jacket and I'm going to place it on top of the sweater. So the denim jacket, you can actually just put it on your shoulders. You could wrap it around your waist, you could hold it, just having this like extra element with you to show that, there was more layers put into the look. And this is something I used to always wear to school. Again, something just on the go. For my final look, I'm taking an all black base, which is really these black culottes, which I know a lot of us might have in our wardrobe from the spring, and I'm pairing it with a black sweater on top. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put on a puffer coat, which I know a lot of us own these puffer coats for the winter if you live in somewhere that is cold. And it doesn't always occur to you to always make a puffer coat look cool, and neither did I. But then all of a sudden I started wearing it with this neck scarf around, and I'm like, whoa, this is like a whole new look. And it actually is a little bit chic because, you know, you're adding different colors and you're adding different materials. So I really think that, you know, you can easily make a puffer coat look chic with a big scarf around your neck. Lastly, I'm just topping it off with a maroon bag, which is in the colors of the scarf, but you could really pair it with any purse you own that matches the colors in your neck scarf. Double scarfing for the win. So folks, those are my 5 looks that I put together when you don't know what to wear. And let me know if you found any of these helpful, or if you are going to even be wearing any of these. I'd love to see. And just let me know some future video ideas that you have below. Again, I really want to make sure that, you know, we can make the most out of our wardrobes, because I love to rewear things. I know you do too. It's the most functional way, and also the most sustainable. So let me know below what kind of outfits you'd like to see in the future, making looks out of things we already own. All right, bye.